ഞാൻ ചിലപ്പോൾ ചിന്തിക്കും, ഈ സിഗരറ്റും ബീഡിയും വലിച്ചാൽ പരിണാമം എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഇതുമൂലം എനിക്ക് സ്ട്രോക്ക് ഉണ്ടാകുമോ? അങ്ങനെ സ്വന്തം കുടുംബത്തിന് ഭാരമാകുമോ? ഇതുമൂലം എനിക്ക് ലങ് ക്യാൻസർ ഉണ്ടാകുമോ? ഇതെന്നെ മൗത്ത് ക്യാൻസർ, ഹൃദ്രോഗം, എംബിസിമ എന്നിവയ്ക്കരികിൽ എത്തിക്കുമോ? അടുത്ത തവണ നിങ്ങൾ സിഗരറ്റോ ബീഡിയോ വലിക്കും മുൻപ് സ്വയം ചോദിക്കൂ, ഈ സിഗരറ്റും ബീഡിയും വലിക്കുന്നതിന്റെ പരിണാമം എന്താകും? ഇന്ന് തന്നെ പുകയില ഉപേക്ഷിക്കൂ. സഹായത്തിനായി 1800-112356 കോൾ ചെയ്യൂ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 011229011701 മിസ് കോൾ ചെയ്യൂ.
പുകവലി ആരോഗ്യത്തിന് ഹാനികരം. പുകവലി അർബുദത്തിന് കാരണമാകുന്നു. സ്മോക്കിംഗ് ഈസ് ഇഞ്ചൂറിയസ് ടു ഹെൽത്ത്. സ്മോക്കിംഗ് കോസസ് ക്യാൻസർ.
We got the stuff.
What kind of stuff? Haven't you seen Udiyappams? Give it to her.
me. When will you reach? Tell me.
I have left here, but I'm on another route.
Huh? Which route?
Listen, while I was praying, Lord Ganesha told me, bro, you have come to Kotarakara anyway. It's just 30 kilometers from here. I think you should go Marampalli as well.
Okay. Did Lord Ganesha say exactly that dialogue, or did you add it?
Marampalli. What does Marampalli have to do with Lord Ganpati?
In Marapalli, he is.
Oh, that it is. Give it to me. Let me advise him. Hey, listen. Sanjay dear, do you have to go there so eagerly?
Why is that so?
The thing is that you will get bored after getting married. Don't ruin her freshness. That's why I said it.
You get lost. Go away.
Brother, you told her before leaving, right?
Hey, it won't be surprise then, right?
Oh.
Hey man, Achapan, Jalebi and meeting. It should be surprise, right?
As if you will give her a surprise at her house during midnight. Her mom will make you run from there. Will you come today itself?
Hey shucks, I won't sleep there.
Do you have Asha there?
Hey.
No, I was talking about your girl. Asha is there or not, right? That's it.
Now don't go there. Don't crack too many jokes. Don't joke around too much with her name. We'll just talk for 10 minutes. What else apart from that? I don't know if that's possible. If her mom comes in between, then I will lose my mind.
You should boo her aside, right? Why are you worrying?
Wait
Don't
a
worry,
minute.
bro.
I'm saying it again. Don't take so much risk. Girls nowadays don't get surprised that
Hey,
much.
she's not like you. She's a bit decent. At least she will pretend to act surprised. Understood?
Oh no, he's very conservative.
Hey, look,
Hey.
this romance will be little conservative. There is nothing wrong with that. Got it?
Yes, we will see that.
Correct. First she should be stunned. Then it will be romantic.
I think you will ruin this.
I doubt if she doubt me to be a tough guy. I mean, I have a doubt on your doubt.
Hey, listen. Look at this tough guy. Girls are not like you think. Being romantic is not for you. You can only get angry on people, fight, and lose your temper. It's your genetic behavior. I already know.
What genetics? What are you telling?
Listen, be natural. Talk in your own natural way. Okay?
That's an issue. This wasn't till now. If I act decent quickly, then it will be ruined. Let her understand my natural ways after marriage. For now, this is okay. Got it?
Oh, is that so?
Obviously.
Let's not argue anymore. Go and suffer. Also, I will send you a romantic song. I don't know if it will help you. It will be like a monkey wearing a garland, but still hear it for your happiness.
You give me that phone.
What is it? Please give me mine.
So, mister, drive safely.
Yes.
Sir, sorry, sir.
What? Sorry, sir. Didn't you see my car?
It will be okay with a small touch here.
A mistake due to a touch?
He apologized, right? He made a mistake.
Now that's right. Police can make mistakes. Nothing to tell workshop guys, right? Where did you get it from?
Sir, don't make an issue.
Look, only a little paint is gone, right?
Yeah, little paint and a little bump.
Sir. Sir,
What, man? I'm not a beggar. Giving him money.
Does he have a on?
no, sir, actually. If you had taken my $500, then. Anyway, it's my mistake.
Sanjay, how come you're here suddenly?
Aren't you surprised? Were you going somewhere?
No, I had just come from a friend's house. Just entered, so.
Oh, okay. Then let's talk inside. Come. These are some chocolates. You like it, right? I'd gone to Kotarakka Ganpati temple, so I came to offer the offertory. Let all the obstacles go away. There are issues everywhere.
Thanks.
It's okay. It's Uniappams. Eat it. Eat fast. I thought you would be a bit more surprised.
No, when I saw you, suddenly I became nervous.
Why are you being so nervous? I know you will be. You are sweating too much.
Well, it's.
Shall
hot.
I put on the fan?
It's okay. Sanjay.
Hmm?
There is a problem.
Problem? What problem?
I'm alone here.
Alone? Then what about me?
It's not that. I mean, my mom is not here.
Oh, that's nice. Actually, I'm scared of your mom. Now, without fear, we can talk a bit more.
She'll come in half an hour.
Oh my.
Mom went to her brother's house to talk about the wedding matter.
Oh. We have half an hour, right? Let's talk a bit more. Come.
It's not that, Sanjay. Well, it won't work out. I'm not okay. If Mom comes in, she will think that we planned it. We sat here for some time and spent some time. It won't work out.
But let her think, what's the issue?
It's not that, Sanjay. You know, it's very difficult to lie like this.
Let me ask you one thing. I'm going to marry you, right? Then what is the issue to her?
It's not that, Sanjay.
Then what is it?
Sanjay, you don't know my mom. She's suspicious of even small things. I don't know how to manage it.
Then you will have to take your mother's permission to see me after marriage. Your mother is a bit too much. I saw it during the initial meeting.
Sanjay, a mother will have her own worries and concerns. Please understand.
You sit down.
No, Sanjay. Sanjay, go now and come some other day when it's comfortable.
Comfortable means?
I'm comfortable when my mom is here.
So is that comfortable when a mom is here? Am I here to see your mom? Am I here to see your mom? You sit here with me for some time.
Sanjay. Sanjay, don't behave like this with me. Please, I don't like it. I'll get tea.
Listen. I don't have a habit of drinking tea. If I wanted, I could have drank on the way.
Sanjay, please. Don't trouble me like this.
Then don't make tea. Make coffee.
Tea, right? I'll get it.
Listen, it's coffee.
Coffee. Sorry. Sanjay?
You made coffee so fast?
It's not that. I want to tell you something. Don't stand behind me.
Why will I stand behind you?
It's not like that. I mean to say don't stand behind me when I'm making tea.
Why should I stand behind you while you make tea?
Some people have that habit.
Now stop it. Go and make tea.
I want to say one more thing to you. I don't like you addressing me so casually.
You go and make tea. Is that okay now?
Sanjay, I have a good name. Asha. It's a small name. Can't you call me that?
Okay, then get a tea for me, Asha. Go.
Why does he behave like that?
She has been spoiled by her parents. Let our wedding get over.
Coffee.
Sit.
No, it's fine. Drink your coffee.
What is this? Did you put all the coffee powder in it?
You didn't tell me how strong it should be. I'll make another coffee.
No, I don't want it. Just sit near me for some time. Come. You know, it's good to drink a little strong coffee. Come. Asha, why didn't you drink coffee?
I don't drink coffee. I drink tea. I will go and make some tea.
Huh? But coffee... No, we can have tea later.
But we can drink together, right?
We can drink tea together, right?
No.
You do one thing, you sit here. You can do one thing, you can have your tea after I leave from here. Your mom will take at least 10 to 15 minutes more to come. What a nuisance.
Why did you disconnect?
Nothing, it's Riva. Just disturbing me. What if we send her a photo? A happy picture?
What for?
I want to make her jealous. She doesn't like people being happy.
It's fine. Receive the call.
Hello.
Hello, Sanjay.
Yeah.
Listen, there is an issue.
Listen, I'm sitting happily here with Asha. I do not care even if there is a big issue.
Actually, there is a big issue.
Come on now, disconnect the call. What the heck?
What happened?
Once we decide something, then we should hold on to it. She just want to annoy me. Sorry. What's that noise?
What noise? That you just coughed, right?
It's not that. A little... Listen.
Oh my! Wait a moment.
Okay.
Yes, Mom. The phone was on vibration. I didn't hear it. Is it? Has it been some time? Sorry. Okay. I don't know. One moment. I don't know. Let me switch on the TV. Yes. I'll check and call. One moment.
Different parts of the country has been put on lockdown. You should take this attempt of the state government very seriously. The experts of this sector and the other countries are in very dangerous conditions. It's spreading everywhere. Tonight, from tonight 12 a.m.
Sanjay, fast.
whole country
What fast?
Sanjay, go fast. The lockdown.
The The whole country is in lockdown. PM said that we cannot step out of the house.
Sanjay, don't joke at this time. I'm being serious. Try to leave fast.
I'm not joking, dear. The order is to stay where you are. So I'm here. Understood?
Sanjay, the people who are traveling can do so. Won't you get stuck here?
I'm not traveling. I'm staying here, right?
Sanjay, please try to understand.
This is called as God's grace.
Sanjay, try to leave fast.
Won't you be alone if I leave from here?
I was alone even before you came, right?
Then let your mom come. I will go after that.
Mom will come. Sanjay, try to leave fast, otherwise you will get stuck here.
Do you have an issue with me?
Sanjay, what's the issue? I'm okay.
Are you angry?
I'm not angry. I'm okay. Try to leave.
Promise?
Promise.
Don't go outside. And after
Hello?
some days, according to
Listen,
your
I just switched on the TV. I found out just now. Listen, I'm just leaving right now.
condition,
If I stay here, then it will
decide
be. Yeah. She is
that
just.
what will be the situation,
Okay, I will call you later.
and it is
Okay,
necessary,
then.
and definitely
So now let's click a photo.
Sanjay!
this lockdown will be beneficial.
All right.
But all nations people should cooperate with us.
I will leave.
Fine.
Asha, you go inside. I will leave after that.
No, it's fine. I will leave after you go.
Listen, don't open the door for everyone. Your mom will be here soon.
All right.
But still, how do I leave you alone?
Anyway, Mom and I are alone here, right? Sanjay, leave.
Love you.
Sanjay, please understand the situation.
It's fine, I understand. And also, don't forget to lock the doors.
All right.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Listen, where are you going?
Ernakulam.
Where?
Ernakulam.
What's the time now?
You have a watch, right?
The time may not be correct due to that, right?
It's 10 p.m.
Where is Ernakulam?
Chembumuku.
Chembumuku. Can you reach in 2 hours?
Why are you asking that?
Can you reach in 2 hours from here?
If I go from Allapuza, I can.
That's not possible.
Then this is also not possible.
Then you can't go.
Why is that so?
I would have left you if you could reach before 12 a.m.
That's not possible at all.
Then you can't go.
Sir, this time...
Our Prime Minister had declared something. Did you hear that?
Yes, I did. But it's not applicable to travelers. I just came for a visit here, sir.
Just. It has just been an hour and a half, right, sir?
Sir, I need to leave now. Just tell me what's the issue.
The lockdown will start at 12 p.m. So any journey which cannot be finished before that time won't be allowed.
Did the PM said that?
Can the Prime Minister say everything? That depend on the official, right? Haven't you heard about the instruction from the top order?
Sir, do you mean to say I should stay here?
Till the day the lockdown is over.
I'll open it.
The watch may be right, but the time may not be. Take the car, sir.
Sir, actually...
Otherwise, I'll do the first lockdown arrest here.
Sir, please. This is my fiance's house. I just came on a visit here.
Take the car.
Sir, she's alone there.
So you are leaving her alone here and moving on. Sir, I told you. You said that his time is bad, right? He last time. Let him go.
Allah. Ah.
Sorry, sir. Forgive me. It's just impossible. Look at him drive.
Leave it.
Yeah. See you at home. Yeah, I'm talking to them, but they aren't letting me leave. I've already talked to them. Yeah, it's a permanent post here. Yeah, it's fixed at the place. That cop is just too rude, dear. He's just too much. I would have told him something. Okay, alright then.
Sanjay, try to leave somehow from here.
I cannot leave from here. They won't leave me. This is the district border. And a permanent post too. The SI is also very rude. If I avoid him, but still they will catch me at the next post. I cannot take the risk.
Sanjay, he will move somewhere, right? So you can leave then.
There is no use of that. The time is so less.
It's just too embarrassing. Shucks.
Listen, what's your problem? We are getting married after 2 weeks anyway.
Sanjay, do we really know anything about this lockdown? Do we? Maybe we will have to postpone the wedding.
But why to postpone the wedding for that? Let me tell you something. We don't have to invite and feed hundreds of people. No need of that. We will call a few people and conduct the wedding.
Sanjay, you have to leave somehow. I'm unable to make you.
Let me tell you something.
It will be a big issue if the relatives find out.
Then Asha, do one thing. You call your mother. She's a big shot at the IG office, right? Tell her to arrange a car. I'm ready to go anytime. I'm not interested to wait here. I've told you many times not to disturb me, right?
Are you both only there?
Hmm.
I'm unable to sleep. I'm tensed.
Why are you tensed? There is one more person here apart from us.
Who's that?
Her father is in the photo.
Keep quiet. Let her not hear it.
Look, you go to sleep, okay?
Listen, can you handle the situation?
Hang up and leave it.
It's not that. Listen. Hello?
Why are you getting angry on someone without any reason? That too a lady?
I don't see if it's a lady or a gentleman when I get angry. Also, the lady will tolerate it.
You know, all the women won't tolerate your anger.
I've been seeing Reba since I was this small. So she knows how angry I can be.
You both have a good understanding, right?
Hmm.
Then,
Then what?
hello?
Hello?
Hmm.
Just tonight, anyhow. Tomorrow, I will reach in some police car.
All right.
I hope there is no issue.
No.
Who's it? Who's that? Is it Sanjay? Oh, his dad told me. I guessed when he said he's going to Katarkara.
I told him to leave from here anyhow.
Then did you tell me? You are such a big liar.
Mom, please. Try and do something.
Nothing will work out. Let me see. And stay silent.
Okay.
Understood? Is he nearby? Let him not hear it, okay?
Okay.
I hope you know that it's a lockdown. We don't know when we can conduct the wedding. It's a different time. We don't know when their heart will change. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes,
What did you understand?
I understood.
Hand him the phone.
All right.
Yes, Sanjay dear.
Hello?
Are you fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
I will arrange your travel, okay? Don't worry.
All right, all right.
All right then.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, see you then.
As if I'm scared from her.
Did you have to cough at that time itself?
But how can I hold it? But whom should I be scared of?
Shucks.
Why are you getting sentimental every second?
Sanjay, I'm not being sentimental. Do you know what my mom called me over the phone? A big liar. I had told you that I don't like all that.
This world won't come crashing down if your mom suspects you.
Sanjay, why are you talking this way?
How?
Yeah? Why are you talking nonsense about my mother?
I didn't speak nonsense about anyone here.
No, Sanjay. Your tone was not good.
My tone is like this and I am also like this.
Sanjay, I don't understand why can't you talk calmly? I'm going to get married to you very soon, right? So can I communicate or talk on the phone? When can I call you? Tell me. Do men think that it's a big deal to talk rudely when talking to some other person? I'm asking because I'm not able to get it. And I don't think this is right. I have to share and talk so much about my life. Have we ever been able to do that?
You don't create an issue, Asha. Don't you get it even after telling you repeatedly?
You know, I'm not making an issue out of nothing.
Then what are you doing now?
You just got so angry. I'm talking about this issue only. Sanjay, if you're behaving this way with a girl whom you have known since childhood, then how will you behave with me?
If you're talking about Reva, then stop it right now. I'm not at all interested. Because we are that intimate.
I am someone who is going to live even more intimately with you. Did you forget? And this wedding will be the biggest privilege which this society will give you. Remember that. After that, it won't work out if you say that the husband is angry on his wife.
Listen, my dear Asha. I will go once they let me go. Okay? I do not have any interest to talk about this. Please, now stop it.
My God, how will I solve this now?
If I'm such a big issue for you, then you should... Your mother will send the car, right? I will immediately go in that. Whom are you trying to scare? Huh? Whom are you trying to scare?
Where to?
Sir, Kollam.
Don't stop anywhere. Drive fast.
Okay, sir. Don't stop in between.
Sanjay, can I ask you something? As far as I have heard, Reva is very cool. Then why can't you... Maybe Reva can handle your rude way of talking and behavior. I doubt if I can do it. I really doubt it. I don't know, Sanjay. Actually, I'm scared.
We don't get married to only get along well, right? I'm sure there will be arguments, but we will handle it. I'm sure for that.
I'm not that sure.
Reva will be cool. You are right. But coolness, about having no sincerity, let him do anything. I don't care. A carefree attitude, I don't like that. I want someone to shout at me, to argue with me. I like a partner who controls me. I will tell you it in one word, Asha. You are not like Reva.
What's the difference?
She is someone who won't handle on to anything. She is just like a coconut tree on the beach. It will keep swinging with the flow of the wind. But I like you.
Do you have that girl's photo? Reva's photo? Let me see. She's beautiful.
No, I don't like so much beauty.
It's not just that. There is some other reason too.
Hey, what other reason? It's nothing else.
Tell me.
What? There is nothing else.
There is.
She wears shorts. People should get angry and annoyed, like you. Shall I tell you one beauty secret? Your face is not like Reva's face.
Yes, it isn't.
I like your face.
You are lying.
There is a reason to it.
What is that?
Your face is very occupied.
What does that mean?
It means that there is a little jealousy and a little annoyance too. Then there is a little anger too. It's a mix of all that. It's too much fun.
I didn't know that you can be so romantic. But the person who speaks over the phone is a very different man. I can't say that you are rough, but you are very wild. You know, I cannot bear the orders which you give. Sanjay, you behave like a wolf when you are trying to impose your stand on someone. Sometimes I feel that there is a wolf on the other side of the phone. I'm very scared of that. And why should I worry about this my whole life? This won't work out. Leave me.
Hello?
Why did you call me at this hour to ruin my peace of mind?
Oh my, it's not that.
What is it?
Please listen me.
Why should I listen? If you call and torture me time and again, I will break your head when we meet. Sorry. She's a very jealous girl. I told you, right? She doesn't like anyone being happy. Asha?
That is your room. Good night.
But do you want to say goodnight so fast?
Yes.
Listen, I know that you are being angry on purpose. But there are no permanent issues, right? Also, once I spoke more openly, I felt relieved. It's better if there are issues before marriage, right? There's some fun to it.
All right. Good night.
Mom,
Mom will come. You go to sleep. All right?
this will be sorted when we meet tomorrow.
There is no issue between us. I have hidden below the bed. Shall I show you?
No need.
No, I'll show you. One moment.
Where is he?
He's in that room.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Good night.
Good night.
What happened, sir?
I need some water.
I will get it. That is coughing too much. I think I have got infected. Go, Corona. Go, Corona. It's a kennel order. The car gets a wash off. They have built a house here. There's no light at all. I'm scared.
I took too much time to fall asleep. There were some issues. I heard a loud noise at night.
Maybe you're sleeping at a different house.
Yeah, maybe. I thought you won't sleep yesterday night. But you were very tough. I slept when I felt sleepy. I was tired of driving for so long. And then I fell asleep due to the earful you gave me. Hey, but where is your mom?
Mom is stuck at one relative's house in Allappuzha.
Then why did you tell me that she will come in 30 minutes?
Mom told me so that I won't get tensed.
You didn't say it to avoid me, right?
Is the tea strong enough? Sanjay, I want to tell you something important. Mom had called up. There is a medical emergency. An ambulance is going from Trivandrum to Ernakulam with a patient. It will stop in front of our house only for a second. You can hop in that time. Mom will inform us when the ambulance will leave Trivandrum and reach Attingal. So if you are ready according to that, then you can leave fast. Let your car remain here. You can take it later.
That's why you're so happy, right?
Sanjay, it's not about being happy. it is the right thing to do.
It's okay. At least I could spend a little time with you fighting and joking. That's enough. Also, I thought a lot yesterday night. You are right. I have a little ego.
A little more.
Hey, Asha.
Sanjay!
Yes.
Sanjay, what did you do? Why didn't you ask me?
You never agree to it.
I'm looking very shabby.
No, you're amazing.
Sanjay, don't send it to anyone without showing me. Let me check.
Huh. I only send it to 3 friends. Otherwise, they won't believe it.
I'm not looking good in this.
You look so natural, see?
But this is a very bad thing to do.
No, it's fine for me. Don't I also wish to take a selfie with my fiancée?
Don't think that we are taking revenge. We just need some water. Sir needs some hot water. James, sir.
Which James?
SI James, sir. Look, he is sitting there. Sir needs it. Sir got tired yesterday night. He got a small throat pan, so he is scared if it's a corona. If due to the cold, I know it's tonsils. It's also not just that. Sir has a little feeling for you.
But why?
He didn't let you go, right? That's why I said that since you guys are kids, so let the both of you also have some practice.
Practice?
I was just joking. I just cracked a joke with sir.
Do you enter a home with such a lame jokes? Huh?
No, son, that...
What did you just mean?
I mean, he is our SI, so...
What, sir?
What happened?
Ask him. He will say what happened.
What is it?
Sir, I just cracked a small joke, so...
Come here.
Sir,
Yes?
I have hot water on the cooking
Yeah,
stove.
okay.
I will get it.
What happened, sir?
What did you tell them?
Look, sir, firstly, that guy has an animosity with you. It's because you didn't leave him. It's morning, but he's not going. I cracked a joke over that, sir. So he's feeling so awkward and...
Don't you know how to talk with young kids even now?
Okay, sir.
Sir, hot water.
Thank you, ma'am. Ooh, my mask is also hot.
Why do these people act like this? I don't know. Pity guys.
Forget it, please. They are cops.
Do cops have horns? I cannot listen to such pity talks with such kind of people. If we keep quiet, then these guys will take advantage. And listen, forget about hot water. Don't give anything to them. Got it?
Sanjay, we have to bow down to the situation sometimes.
I cannot do that.
If you cannot do it, then people living with you will also suffer.
I cannot change myself for the sake of the people around me. I am like this and I will be like this. In the future too. I don't care if your mom is a cop.
We will talk about our future later on.
We will talk about the future later means? Now where are you going?
Now hold on to that.
What is that sound?
Maybe the glass fell down due to wind.
No, it's not the wind. I felt something yesterday night too. There is something upstairs.
At night my phone vibrated. It was on the dressing table. Sanjay, where are you going? Sanjay, where are you going? Sanjay, where are you going? Sanjay? Sanjay, at least tell me, what are you looking for? Sanjay, where are you going? Stop! Sanjay! Hey, hold on! Where are you going? Wait! What are you up to?
Don't stop me.
Where are you going?
Upstairs.
Sanjay!
Don't come in
Please.
between.
No, Sanjay. Don't go upstairs.
I want to check.
Sanjay, it's locked, Sanjay. Sanjay, listen to me. Please. Wait. Listen to me. Wait. There. Sanjay, what are you doing? Wait, there is nothing there. Let's go down.
Oversight!
Wait. There is nothing inside. Sanjay. Sanjay, understand this room is locked. So you can't go in.
room is locked?
Sanjay, don't do
Get
it.
aside!
Don't open. Sanjay,
Liar, don't fool me.
don't do this.
Good morning. Sorry, the cup broke.
Who is this guy?
Sanjay, please go downstairs. I will come downstairs. Please go from here. Go on.
Who is this guy?
Please go downstairs.
Hey, who are you? Tell me.
Burn this lamp. The lighter's gas is over.
Hey,
Let me burn this. The soul was so desperate for a smoke. It's because Asha told me not to move.
I'm asking you last time. Who is this guy?
Joe.
Who, Joe?
Just Joe.
I'm asking, what does this Joe have to do here?
You still don't get it? That's a pity. I was about to run away with Joe. That's when you came in. To ruin it.
It's true. If you had been 5 minutes late, then we'd have left.
If your heart tells you can't live with a person, then you should not stay to suffer. It's Joe's philosophy.
Whom can you not tolerate? Is it me?
Didn't you understand it yet? I had told you, right? This wild nature of yours. I cannot tolerate it. Anyway, why should I tolerate you? Yeah? That's why I have decided to live with Joe.
With this guy?
What's the issue with me?
If there is any issue now, then I was looking for a better option.
Did he feel better to you?
Yes, he is better than you. I'm sure of it.
On what level?
On every level. You said I'm beautiful than Reva, right? How is that so? I wasn't convinced. It's just like that. Selecting a partner is a judgment. We cannot split open a person and then find out.
What if your judgment is wrong?
There are many people living as partners in this world after a wrong judgment. If it will go wrong, we will take care of it.
Listen, leave her. Girls nowadays know how to take a stand. Your problem is that you underestimated it.
Hey, listen. I didn't ask you anything, okay?
Oh,
Don't try to talk in between. What is the issue? Tell me.
I don't have any issue now, it's over.
Okay. I am wild, I agree with it. But I should be convinced that you have chosen someone better than me.
Why should I do that?
Look, just because I have such a ring around my finger.
Is it due to that? You should remove it like this. That's it.
Asha, it's white gold, right? We just have to change it, right? Don't throw it.
Look, you don't have any right over anyone. Got it?
He understood. Don't give him any more sorrow, Asha. Oh my, I told her.
Hey, who are you? And what is your merit?
My merit. Should I say that? Come on, tell him.
Joe is very calm. He's very mild, very sweet. I understand that from his behavior. I wanted that only.
Asha, this is just your assumption. I'm not at all convinced about him.
But why should I convince you? Yes? We had an understanding, but now it has gone wrong. One more thing. We both are of very different nature. I may also wear shorts in the future, and you may not like it.
In the future, I may not just tolerate it, but support it too. I'm not so old-fashioned. If I was so old-fashioned, then I would have ripped you out of my heart when I saw you with him.
He has started to change, dear.
Asha, you are not at all mature. You are in a very dangerous situation. I have to make you safe.
You know, the decision I had taken was dangerous, but I took this decision so that I could be safe. Forget that. How did you find out that I'm in a dangerous situation?
I didn't like this man.
But why do you have to like him? I like him, right?
Let Sanjay speak. Give him time to calm down. Ask what do you want to ask. She will answer it. Once you're satisfied with that, then don't disturb us, okay?
Who is this guy? Where did he come from? What does he do? Where is he taking you? And why?
I don't have to give you such a detailed explanation. Got it? Also, it's a very normal thing for the wedding to be called off. Just accept it.
Asha, he is in deep shock. Let him accept the situation first. If you can, then give him the answer to his questions. Like you can.
We got introduced through Facebook. Joe is a traveler.
Traveler? What traveler?
Joe works in a travel and tour company in South Africa. He travels extensively. And he's always happy. I know that happiness will reflect in my life for sure. There is a lot of goodness in Joe's heart. Really. You just have to look at his Facebook profile. Joe's travel photos. Photos of nature, animals, trees, and greenery. The photos are so good. They look so positive. But what about you? Your profile has gym photos, haircut photos. I'm tired.
Listen, my world is a world of a young man and not an old man like him. He's at least 50 years old.
Just 46.
One can't fall in love just by looking at the birth certificate. I just want to escape the mental trauma which you have given me. That's my only wish.
So you will escape once I leave you, right? But don't jump into a valley.
I'm not a valley. Sanjay, this is very natural in the nature.
Remove your hand and then talk.
You come. Come, let me tell you. Look, Sanjay, women will compare a man with other men. Their judgment is important in that. We should accept that no matter what. That's a real man. When she looked at me, I felt like a real man. I don't know what it is, but I know one thing, that in her eyes, it is more than you. And nothing else than that.
Then I need to know that. Why are you laughing? Prove that you are better than me. Huh?
I don't have to.
But I have to.
You have to. Then you do that.
Okay, then I will do that.
Joe!
It's fine, dear.
Are you
Don't
hurt?
worry. It's nothing. It's nothing, dear. Listen, what are you doing? You're again losing your station in front of her. It's right. There's no use of being the good guy. Things have gone out of hand. Dear, look, he's showing his true colors.
If you talk anymore,
Forget it. Like she chose me, another girl will come to select you. Have some patience. Keep waiting. And don't do something like this, okay?
I told you to keep quiet,
He
right?
already has a girl, Joe. His flatmate, Reva. They both are very close.
Huh. Then what more do you want? This is the law of the nature. The defeated man will win somewhere else.
Fighting for a girl is also the law of nature. Got it?
Sanjay! Don't do it! What are you doing? Sanjay!
You will win her. Get up!
Leave! Stop it! Sanjay! What are you doing?
Hey! Listen! Listen!
How dare you touch me?
What an indecent guy. How will a girl live with you?
Who are you?
Sanjay!
It's okay, dear. Let him vent his anger. Listen, don't hit me on my head.
Now I won't leave you with him and go. It's for sure.
Hit means that you will only ruin it, right?
Sanjay. Let me live the way I want to. Why do you care?
You are trying to woo girls from good families on Facebook. Which red street are you going to take her?
Shucks. You're still stuck there. Brother, that generation has passed. These girls are very smart. They will decide their life. If I behave badly, then she will leave me too. It's not like the older generation. They take decisions in advance. But he's acting like a hero from an old movie.
So you will take her with you?
Do you have a doubt?
Hey,
Sanjay, take your leg.
will you take her?
Sanjay, please take your leg. I said take
Will
your
you
leg.
take my girl?
Sanjay,
If she comes,
what are you doing? Lift your leg. I will decide whom I should live with. Take your leg.
my girl, ownership. You have a lot of issues. After our honeymoon, I'll take you to South Africa. Look at the world. I will show you how people live with freedom and let others live with freedom. You will see that.
Hey, listen. I will decide where to go and also with whom.
She also decided the same. Where to go and with whom.
Huh. So understand, I have a decision of my own. First, accept that.
Take the phone.
Hello?
Hello? Yes, mom.
Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
Okay. Okay.
I want to know if your mom knows about this or not. Give me the phone.
Hey, no, mom.
Give me the phone.
Sanjay is speaking.
I said give me the
actually,
phone.
He's screaming.
Asha, I want to talk to your mom. Give me the phone.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Give me the phone.
The ambulance is coming. Try to leave in peace. My mom called for the same.
I'm not going anywhere leaving him with you. I will call your mom.
Aren't you ashamed of yourself? I live my life my own way. Do you really think I will listen to my mom? You have to sit in the front seat. There'll be a nurse along with the patient in the back seat. Try to leave when it comes.
Listen, I won't go in any ambulance till a decision is made on this.
Joe, didn't you see? He's not at all mature. How do I live with such a man?
Running away before the wedding is a great maturity.
Listen, if the boy whom you're getting married is not mature, then maybe one has to take such immature decisions.
Hey, did I ask you about this? Huh? Did I? I will break your
Please,
head if you speak again.
Sanjay!
You will do that? You have the tendency to hurt harmless beings. You first beat me, then it was her. You will hit her after marriage for sure. I'm sure of that. People don't harm any living beings on this planet. Apart from some guys like you. And I can very well identify guys like you.
I can also know very well that if someone is fraud or not. Okay?
You received the call. I won't talk.
Brother, I want to say something. You don't get angry.
Yeah, tell me.
Look, it's not something very serious.
Then don't tell me.
You remember the selfie which you sent us? We forwarded that to some of our friends whom we know.
Is this a serious issue?
No, they lost that photo somehow. It has come in some online article.
Online?
No. The article states that a boy got stuck in his fiance's house in Mallapalli. Listen. Dude, I'll give it to mom. Hello? Look, there is nothing to worry. Firstly, they have not mentioned your name in the article. They have also blurred the photo in the article.
The selfie which we clicked today has become viral in some online.
I had told you 100 times not to click the selfie. See what happened? Shucks!
But do I know that you are going to run away?
I told you not to click the photo as I couldn't tell you that.
There won't be any issue if I don't click a photo. My family, friends, and the people will say that the bride ran away. This article is not more humiliating than that.
You have been saying since some time about me running away from here. Am I a cat or a dog tied up at home to run away?
If you had run away with someone good, then it was fine. But now you are running away with a nobody. How will I face anyone now? It was better to die than getting insulted like this.
Listen to me. All these things do happen in the world.
It is true. Asha, you try to explain him that.
Look, I don't want your comforting words.
Oh, let it be.
It may happen in this world, but that's not an area of my concern. I'm not interested in turning into an entertainment object. I will not tolerate that insult, and I cannot even bear it.
Sanjay, what do I do for that?
You should send him away. I will sign a mutual consent after our wedding completes. You can go away anytime, but only after our marriage. Now what have you decided? Tell me fast.
But I cannot do that. I call Joe over here.
And what if he leaves?
I understand. I won't go.
Then there is another option. It's the lockdown, right? So we can postpone the wedding. Once the friends start forgetting it, then We will tell them that it's a mutual decision. You can go with Joe or anyone else. People will forget everything by then.
Oh, so I should not go with Joe now, looking at your convenience. Do you mean that? I will not do it. I forced him a lot, and that's why Joe took this decision. I don't care about your dignity. I don't have to ruin my life for that.
But I have to save my dignity, right? Everyone knows that we were together during the lockdown. So if you leave me now, then everyone will think that I have some issue. I won't be able to tolerate that. Asha, I have no issues. I'm ready to accept you.
So you had some issues in accepting her, right?
Hey, listen, I'm talking to Asha, okay?
What do you mean?
I want to live with dignity. Or else, I will die or kill.
Ego. You are egoistic.
I am. People live for dignified life. In front of the society, friends, and relatives. Finally, what they want dignified life. Many people go to various places and undertake laborious work with discipline for the same. There is nothing if you lose this. Then it's same if you're a thief, robber, or a murderer. There's no difference. And also, Asha, you would not live if I die.
Hey, that's not fair.
Sanjay, listen to what I am saying for God's sake. I just want to live with peace and harmony. And that's my basic right. And I know that won't happen with you. I cannot get along with your psycho nature.
What did you say? Psycho?
Like that. I just meant that. That's why I have to go.
You won't go.
I will take her.
You will take her?
Why am I here? Do you have any doubt if I will take her?
Sanjay, stop it. Sanjay!
Why should I go to prison for no reason?
He's getting smarter.
Let the cops come.
Why? Don't you have any guts?
I have the guts to hit two people like you.
You're holding the stick after having so much guts.
Come and check if I have the guts.
I'm not here to fight. I'm here to take her. To take Asha.
Asha, this is a trap. His nature can change any time.
Let it change. I will deal with it then. At least Joe is able to hide his real nature. But you can't even do that.
Correct.
I'm saying then, your mother will lose her job if the cops find out. She will get humiliated if my family get humiliated.
Well, my mom needs that for sure. And the humiliation, it will go away once the earth rotates. And which love will succeed if we keep thinking about that? Right, Joe?
Let the cops come then. Your image will get destroyed by then.
If the police find out, then everyone will find out. Your friends will also find it out. So isn't it the same thing?
I'm telling you that only again and again, right?
Then that's good. Call them. Call the police. I will only tell them. But when they will come to the house, they will get rid of you first. The person I will save will be my lover. And the person whom I want to get out will be the intruder. Got it?
My dear Sanjay, no cop will arrest me. I have a South African passport. I'm their citizen. I came here since Asha called me. She's coming with me, so I'm taking her. What's wrong in this?
Asha, are you mad or what? He will never bring you back to India.
I saw India till now, right? Now let me see the other countries too, right?
Did you hear it? You find another girl, go.
What if I want this girl only? Asha, everyone makes this mistake. I assure you that I won't touch this topic after marriage. Send him away. Otherwise your life will be get wasted. You will cry in the future due to him.
That will only happen if you get married to her too, right? She will cry her whole life inside a room. You're proving with every passing second that will only happen. You're showing ownership and over-possessiveness. She won't get any freedom.
Your every word proves that you are a fraud. Do you have any address? All your words are lie.
Don't say that. Look, do you see this? I was attacked by a white rhino. My body is full of wounds formed due to animal kicks and animal horns. My life was spent in the forest by falling on stones and wandering through woods, and that is my address. Now tell me, what's your address? Listen, once a lion had charged towards me. You know that? He backed off after getting shot once. When I went checking the blood trail behind him, that time he jumped on me from just 10 meters away, and that's when I shot him the second time. It was on the neck that time. If I had missed it, then it would have been dead. That very time. My game is so honest, and you think I will lie? Asha, get me a cup of coffee. Get him a cup of coffee. Anyway, the decency is to send him off with a cup of coffee, right? Go. Shall I help you?
No need, Joe.
Thank you. Listen, you have love inside of you, but you don't know how to love. You're trying to snatch things away. You have not evolved to a human from a monkey. When you will be dealing with female of any species along with humans, that time there should be a decency, because girls have an order. Their life and their thoughts change according to the changes in the nature. We are only here to increase the bloodline. We should know that decency with them. Someone like you who is just interested in flexing their muscles cannot do anything.
Hey you, stop kidding. We are just the two of us here, right? Now tell me what's your intention.
It's nothing like that. I do things for fun.
What do you feel now?
I just want to do a murder now. Anyone whom I can get as per my convenience. Firstly, my business is murdering. I have been running a butcher shop since some time. It's not like animals. Killing humans is easy. We have to plan a little, since there are laws in place, right? Do you know why I felt like doing it here? I've got a tempting golden chance in front of me. After you leave, I was about to murder her and leave. The cops will catch you only. Do you know why? Because I'm not here as per the records. There is no proof of my presence here. The cops which are outside, they also feel that there are only you two inside this house. So aren't you the one who is responsible for the murder happening here? You want to hit me? But kill me with just one blow. I'm also like that. However, that won't work. Life won't escape so easily. Even if you use the gelatin skill, life will remain for some time. Life is a very big deal. It is a very big deal. To see someone die little by little, I have experience of that. I'm going to experience that again. Once you leave. I'm just thinking about which weapon to use and how.
Come!
Oh my! Sanjay! Stop it! Sanjay, what are you doing? Move! Move away from him! Sanjay, what are you doing? Joe? Joe?
Okay.
Please get up.
I'm okay.
Get up.
I'm okay. Don't worry. Okay. You ruined this also. Asha,
Yes.
do you have a hammer? Get 2 nails too. Go. Go get it.
Asha, don't give it to him.
You broke this chair and now go on, dear. Go get it.
Listen, he's not like you are thinking. He will kill you.
What nonsense he's speaking about. You leave.
Asha, you escape fast, please. Listen to me.
Get lost! You're acting like a madman. Shucks, I pity you.
This is the proof of my presence. I will throw this away. Now there is no issue. Everything is okay. Now everything which happens here will be done by you. Because I am not here.
You?
What? You still don't get me, is it? That is your issue. I have killed a lot of wild animals. Killing a human is very simple for me. Don't act too smart. How can I hand you this girl over when you cannot even control your own emotions? Huh? You beat me a lot. Here. The pain is transferring slowly to my heart from over my body. This is a bad symptom. That is a symptom of loss of sympathy. When we go for hunting in the jungles of Africa, we sit in a tent, which is made up of many temporary things. We keep waiting by pointing a gun through a small gap in the tent, which leads nowhere. Do you know that? There will be water filled in a tank far away. When we are holding aim like this, it will touch the barrel of the gun. When we check, it's another antelope. It comes walking down from the other side of the tent and licks the barrel. There are 2 versions of it. First is that it's licking the salt from the gunpowder. And second, it is the request of the animal to not shoot the other animal as is their partner. We feel sorrow for a split second. Then it's over. We shoot that very moment. What I showed to you was the sympathy which we show to that antelope. Now it won't be there. It is over. Now you're just a moving target for me. Now if I take an aim at you, and if you create such an opportunity, then you will be finished. You got it?
Joe?
Huh? Did you get the hammer, dear?
Yes.
Huh?
Hey, don't give it. Hey,
Leave it. Leave it.
he's a criminal. He will kill you, Asha.
Give it to me. Dear, is he mad? What about the coffee?
I was making coffee.
Go get it. Thank you. He's a psycho. You escaped by a whisker. Go get the coffee. Go on. I had told you, right? I won't harm her when you are here. You don't worry about that. Cool. Every animal has a lifespan.
Please,
If it
Joe.
was an antelope or cheetah,
Don't do
then he
anything.
would have been dead.
Sanjay!
A giraffe takes no time to die.
Sanjay! 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 Wake up! What happened? Joe?
Drink. Drink it! It's hard to squeeze a giraffe's neck. You should know the exact spot. We do that to kill an animal which has already been shot or dead.
Sanjay!
Okay,
Joe!
okay,
Joe, please.
okay. Cool.
Sanjay! Sanjay!
Okay?
Sanjay! Take this.
It's because you forced me to do it, do you know? I'm sorry.
Sanjay!
Sorry. Get up. Come on, get up!
Sanjay! Sanjay! Wake up!
You just smell like an animal now. You urinated, right? It's not too much. It's only 3 or 4 drops. An animal urinates when it's very helpless. It's also the last act of resistance from it. It is the symptom of you fighting for her. It's good.
Sanjay!
I can understand you. But what to do, kid? I have become an apex predator. Asha,
Sanjay!
your smell is an issue. I have only one demand from you. When you come to the jungle with me, don't put such a perfume. Because, because my smelling sense may go wrong. I am a hunter who smells and hunts.
Sanjay!
Give it to me.
Please! Please! Sanjay! Sanjay!
He won't even let me work. He just provoked me now. I had controlled the animal inside of me for so long, but then
Get up!
Stop it. Stop. Sir, I'm going to medical, sir. You don't know this is locked down? Yes, sir. Come on, leave.
We'll have to visit that house once more.
What for? What for? What for? You want me to that also? Huh?
okay. It's okay now. Now let us relax for some time. Who wants to play cards now? I saw the cards kept in the showcase. Asha dear, get those cards. Get the cards, dear. Go on.
It was a bit urgent. Is there is a bathroom inside? James wants to use that. It's there? Sir, the situation is okay. Sir, I do everything. Sir, you escaped. There is a bathroom inside. You can go inside.
Is there a need to scream about it?
No, I was just saying it, sir. Otherwise, he have not, sir. Be a bit careful, sir. Sir, I will rock today for sure.
There.
Oh.
It's in this room.
This room?
This room.
Hey, Shashank! Look there! There! Sir.
You haven't moved an inch. What did you smoke? Anyway, it's too high. Thank you.
Okay.
The door. Close it.
What do you want to tell the police? Is there anything? Huh? Huh. Now let's play the cards. Sit down. Sit down! Asha, get some water. Go. Get some water. Cards. I'm flipping cards here to play a game. Get some more, please. My throat has dried shouting at him. Go, get it fast. Listen, someone who has a habit of killing will not try to kill any more in his life. Also, who can kill her anyway? She's so sweet, right? She's a bit immature also, but that's okay. She will be alright once she enters the forest with me. I will teach her how to sleep in the dark. Asha, sit down. Asha, sit dear. Your turn. Yeah, hold it.
I don't know how to play cards.
Eh? Then shall I play with him? I cannot play with him. He's a fraud.
Sanjay? Your nose. There is blood coming from your nose.
Hey. That is due to a small nerve tear. It's okay.
I'm scared. Who are you?
Do you want to know? I have a license to kill anything apart from a human back in South Africa. We don't specifically need a license to kill a human being. Opportunities like this are enough, right? I got introduced to a South African guy during my hunting days in Iroquois. He took me there saying that he will find a field suited for me. It's been 10 to 20 years now. I said that, right? Killing is my...
But you said that you work for a tour company.
Yeah. My company has a game hunting license. You can hunt anything in South Africa excluding a human being if you have money. 5 million for a lion, 10 million for a white rhino. Can such a rich man ever shoot something? I'm the one who accompanies him shoots. I will follow looking at the blood trail. We should wipe out the blood of the dead animal. We should make it lie down in a nice manner. We should click pictures of the animal with the rich man. After that, we remove its skin. We should take out the flesh which we can eat. The rich man wants to keep the head as a trophy. So we should bury the head in a careful manner. We should be careful that the wild animals don't dig out the head. Joe will do everything. We should help some animals so that they can die. Those rich people they don't have any mercy. That's when those animals will signal to us. Please kill me as soon as possible. You remember the way I held him? I will hold his neck like that and squeeze his neck.
You were complaining about me being wild.
You are right. I'm wild. But it's okay, dear. Once we get used to it, then taking life becomes easy. You will also have to learn that. We will be living in the forest, dear. Learn to look through the rifle scope and then shoot. You will learn that within a month. I will make you an expert.
I don't want to learn it.
Oh my, that won't work. That's your life now. When you kill an animal first, you should taste its blood. After that, you should take the blood and apply. Here, mark your cheeks like this with your 2 fingers. You should get accustomed.
I can't do it.
Sit there! When we will be returning from the hunt, there should be a river nearby. The animal blood which is splattered on our body, it will start flowing. We will feel as if our body is bleeding. Your company will be a help for me. And we will wipe each other's blood, just like animals. Ugh! What a life it will be! I will make you a queen in game hunting. Haven't you heard? The jungle keeps changing every time, like a girl's heart. Take the call.
Hello. Yes. Fine. The ambulance has left Attingal about 5 minutes back. Get ready to leave. Sanjay, please don't go. Don't go, please.
Listen. You throw the card. I will play as long as you want.
So are you not going?
No,
How will that work?
I'm not going, that's it.
You will go.
I won't go even if you kill me.
Joe, please. Let us live.
You were going to live, right? Did anyone stop you?
That was a mistake.
So what should I do then? Tell me. My mother also died by the hands of an abusive husband. My father was that cruel. When a woman was crying for help, I felt the same desperation. Let's not do it then.
Sorry, Joe. Sorry.
Listen, I told you a lot of things, right? I'm that only. The new generation should look at the new era and live, okay? If you try to create problems for this girl, then... And what's the issue if she wears shorts?
There is no issue.
Did you hear it? He has no issues. Also, someone should get into that arriving ambulance. Stand close to her.
Sir, there were only two people. Then who is he? Huh?
Who are you?
Sanjay, Ponmanan.
Ah.
Huh.
Hello. Yes, Mom.
Did Sanjay not leave?
No, he didn't get the ambulance. It left before he could arrive.
I took so much trouble. Do you even know it?
Then you don't have to take any more trouble. It's fine.
Is he nearby?
Hello? Greetings, Mom.
Yes.
We are safe here.
Okay.
Okay. Hello?
Hello, Sanjay.
Hello.
What happened?
Reva dear, I'm a little busy. Call you later.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Okay.
Hello.